Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin with essentials: a wound bobbin in the shuttle and the spool mounted. Raise the needle to the highest point and lift the presser foot so the tension discs are open. Cut the thread end clean for a smooth feed, then pull the thread to the top thread guide. Follow the factory diagram briefly to orient the path, because accurate entry prevents skips. Now, guide the thread toward the first marked stopper. You're ready to move into the tensioning stage. Once done with the top guides, pass the thread between the tension discs so it seats firmly. This controls stitch tightness. Bring it up to the take-up lever, making sure the lever is at its highest point so the thread slips in easily. Then route the thread down along the needle bar, through any final guides, and thread the needle from front to back. Hold a tail as you lower the presser foot to maintain tension. This keeps the thread from slipping out while you draw up the bobbin thread. You're at the finish line. Hold the upper thread and slowly turn the handwheel toward you one full rotation to lower and raise the needle so it catches the bobbin thread. Gently pull both threads to the back under the presser foot, leaving about 2-3 inches of tail. Lower the presser foot and sew 3 test stitches on scrap fabric to confirm stitch quality. If threads loop or puckering occurs, reduce or increase tension slightly. If persistent, recheck threading path and bobbin orientation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.